A consumer court just ordered Maruti to replace a Grand Vitara for being E20 incompatible. Think about that for a second. Replace a car, not just repair it. What this precedent means for your car, your wallet, and the entire future of fuel compatibility in India is absolutely critical. This isn't just a rumor, it's a legal ruling. Now, for the full story. This unprecedented ruling comes after a Grand Vitara owner faced persistent engine issues. These are specifically linked to using E20 blended petrol. You see, when the Grand Vitara first launched in India back in late 2022, the transition to E20 wasn't as widespread as it is today. Maruti, like many manufacturers, was in the process of updating its engines for E20 compatibility. This particular Grand Vitara, from an older batch, allegedly wasn't fully compatible with a higher ethanol blend. The owner's car developed severe fuel system and engine problems after running on E20, leading to huge repair bills and persistent breakdowns. After multiple attempts at resolution, the owner took Maruti to consumer court, and the court, after reviewing the evidence, found that the car was indeed incompatible with E20 fuel, causing the damage. Their order? A complete replacement of the vehicle. This is a monumental decision, setting a huge precedent for car owners across India. Globally, car makers issue advisories for fuel types, but a court-ordered replacement for E20 incompatibility is almost unheard of. It highlights a hidden cost that many buyers didn't even know existed. Let's talk about the specs that truly matter here. The Maruti Grand Vitara, especially the smart hybrid variants, sold on the promise of excellent mileage. We're talking claimed figures of 21 to 27 kilometers per liter, which translates to a running cost of roughly 5 rupees per kilometer, with petrol at 105 rupees a liter. That's fantastic for a mid-size SUV. But here's the kicker. If your Grand Vitara is E20 incompatible and you've been filling up with E20 fuel, that dream mileage goes right out the window. The higher ethanol content can corrode fuel lines, damage fuel pumps, and even affect injectors. This doesn't just reduce your mileage, it directly damages vital engine components. Instead of 5 rupees per kilometer, you could be looking at performance drops, frequent breakdowns, and repair costs that completely negate any fuel savings. A single replacement of a high-pressure fuel pump or injector set could easily run you 40,000 to 80,000 rupees, not to mention labor and downtime. When you're paying an EMI of, say, 20,457 rupees per month for a mid-variant Grand Vitara, an unexpected 50,000 rupee repair bill is a massive hit to your budget. Now, let's break down the pricing and what this truly means. A popular variant like the Grand Vitara Zeta Smart Hybrid MT currently retails at an ex-showroom price of around 12.01 lakh rupees. On road in a city like Delhi, you're looking at roughly 13.5 lakh rupees, including RTO, insurance, and handling charges. If you take a loan for, say, 10 lakh rupees at 8.5% interest over 60 months, your EMI would be approximately 20,457 rupees. This is a significant investment for most Indian families. The running cost for an E20 compatible smart hybrid Grand Vitara is excellent, around 5 rupees per kilometer. But for an incompatible one, the hidden cost isn't just a fuel efficiency drop. It's the potential for severe, irreversible damage to your engine components. This isn't just about bad mileage. It's about the very longevity and reliability of your car being compromised. The cost of replacing corroded fuel lines, filters, and potentially major engine parts can quickly add up to well over 1 lakh rupees, potentially even 2 lakh rupees, depending on the damage. That's a massive unexpected ownership cost. How does this stack up against the competition? Take the Hyundai Creta or the Seltos, for instance. A Creta SX Executive Petrol, comparable to the Grand Vitara Zeta, comes in at an ex-showroom price of around 14.61 lakh rupees, making it slightly more expensive up front. Its on-road price would be closer to